G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I have here is new to the Wurth range. It's the new Wurth M-CUBE 18 volt cordless jigsaw. Has the brushless motor, which is fantastic, and it's powered by the 5 amp hour 18 volt M-CUBE battery. So we'll just put that in. Now I want to show you some of the features. We've got a knob here which is 1 to 5 and also an auto setting. Now what that is your stroke speed. So it goes from 900 strokes per minute to 2,900 strokes per minute, and you adjust it accordingly. But if you go right around to the auto setting, what that does is it senses the hardness and the thickness of your timber, and it'll adjust the stroke speed accordingly. Over on this side, we've got a light button that we can turn the light on like that or turn it off. But of course, when we start the jigsaw, the light will automatically come on. Down here on this switch, there's a 4-position switch here. And what this does is it adjusts your pendulum swing. So in 0, the blade just goes straight up and down. But when we put it into 1, 2 or 3, the blade starts to swing like a pendulum. Of course, that makes cutting a lot easier and a lot quicker. So to fit the blade, it's as simple as moving this lever across, grabbing your blade, inserting it and letting the lever go. And then you're right to saw. Now I'm just going to remove that blade for safety reasons. We can also remove this cover on the bottom. And you can see in here there's an Allen key. So we can loosen that off and then we can adjust the jigsaw blade around to 45 degrees and then retighten it up. The jigsaw also comes with this attachment, and what we do is just slide that in there and we can hook the M-CUBE vacuum cleaner up to it. So at the end of the day, when we're finished using it, all the mess is already cleaned up for you. Now, let's go and see the jigsaw in action. So now you've seen the fabulous M-CUBE jigsaw in action. Don't forget, we've got adjustable speed settings, we've got adjustable pendulum swing, we extract all your sawdust, things like that. Brushless motor, it's fantastic. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and Wurth M-CUBE, it's ready for work.